In the last section, we spoke about how we can use a character map to solve a wide variety of different string-related questions. A character map is an object where we take every character out of a source string, we add it as a key to the object, and then the value for that key is the number of times that letter has been found in the string. So hello there has 3 E's inside of it, so we have a key of an E and assign it a value of 3. Let's take this technique right here and apply it to our MaxChar problem. So remember, inside of MaxChar, we're trying to find the character that occurs most frequently inside of a source string. So definitely a problem that is well suited to building up a character map. So let's get to it. Inside of our function, we'll start off by declaring a new variable called char map, which is short for character map. And it'll be an empty object. Next, we will iterate over our source string right here and use that to build out the character map. So we'll say for let char of string, and then for every character that we receive, we will add an entry to character map. And if an entry already exists there, then we'll just add 1 to the number. So we'll say if char map at char. So if this exists, if we already have an entry here, great, let's increment it by 1. Otherwise, we will set char map at char equal to 1. So char map at char equal to 1. Now you'll notice that I wrote this out opposite of how we just did it in the example a minute ago. I'm just doing that on purpose just to give you a little bit of variety and make you use your brain just a little bit. So do take note that I flipped the kind of order of operations here between the two cases. So now we should have our character map built up. At the bottom of the file, or this function, let's print out the character map that we just built just to make sure that it is working correctly. So I will console log char map like so. And let's flip on over to the terminal and see what happens. So over at the terminal, I should see my 2 console logs appear right here. And so it looks like I correctly have, here's my character of 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So remember, this is some test input that is provided right here. So it looks like the test input has the character 1 and it's used 6 times. So I would definitely say that this looks like it's working correctly right now. All right, let's take a quick pause right now. We'll continue in the next section and we'll discuss how we can now iterate through our character map and find the character that is most frequently used. So quick break and we'll finish this up in the next video.